Hi guys, Tanya Van here, and I am here with October's Fashion Fix. These sets are super hot and gorgeous. So if you want to see some beautiful jewelry, stay tuned because I got it for you. Also, shout out to my girl Shannon Bridges Johnson. She sent me this gorgeous flower arrangement there. She made that like from scratch, handmade, and mailed it to me. And then I just put it up on the wall. Shout out to my daughter Jasmine for helping me. But isn't it gorgeous? It's beautiful and it matches my room perfectly. I'm gonna show you guys at the end of this video a tour of my bling room. All right, so now let's get started with these beautiful pieces of jewelry. Trendy throwback doesn't even begin to describe this trend-setting masterpiece. Featuring retro tie-dye patterns mixed with hints of galactic silver accents, this month's Sunset Sightings Trend Blend is for those customers who are ready to add some holographic hype to their winter wardrobes. Play up the throwback vibe of this look by styling this trend blend with oversized graphic tees and bulky sweaters. To embrace its subtle feminine side, pair this set with pastels or make its colorful palette pop with blue depths. I just love this set. It's so gorgeous. This trend blend is all about embracing and expressing your individuality. The funky design of the necklace closes the gap between trend-setting designs and classic turquoise palettes with its one-of-a-kind presentation. I'm obsessed with the scalloped outline the piece creates when it lays on the neckline. Like the funky design of the necklace, the hoop earrings and the studded ring each add a youthful, whimsical to the overall look. I love me some hoops. And like the unique necklace, the hinged bracelet is another authentic treasure for those classic turquoise-loving customers. Because turquoise stones are expressive of nature, we recommend pairing this stone look with the homespun trends of the season. Pair this refreshing set with distressed jeans, macrame knit tops, and more. This all-pearl palette isn't for your average Wall Street workaholic. The over-the-top features, exaggerated refinement, and unexpected construction of this fearlessly Fifth Avenue trend blend will appeal to those Fifth Avenue fashionistas who love their classics with a side of drama. We recommend dressing up the homespun trend with pleated skirts featuring the fall Pantone shades of ultramarine green, blue depths, and samba. Because of its exaggerated features, this set looks best when paired with flowy and vintage fabrics like georgette, silk, and chiffon. So hot. This Glimpses of Malibu trend blend has something for everyone. A dainty ring with subtle sparkle, heavy chains, and whimsical movement. The translucent pink crystal beads and teardrops bring an effortless romance to the set. October is National Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and we wanted to incorporate the color pink and a show of solidarity with those who are fighting or who have lost loved ones to the heroic battle. To turn up this fearless pink sparkle, we recommend styling this trend blend with the fathomless Pantone of blue depths. I love this set. It's so dainty and fun. Just beautiful. Do you see this? Do you see this? This magnificent Musings trend blend will set off fire alarms with its stunning smoky ombre effect. The dramatic faceted edges and sharp points of the gems add next level intensity to the entire trend blend. With this much explosive sparkle, this set should come with a warning sign. This trend blend packs too much heat for lace and florals, To match this set's energy, we recommend styling its smoky palette with military green utility jumpsuits and classic black leather jackets featuring metal hardware. Smoking. So now let's take a tour of Tanya's Bling studio. So this is my bling room. I love it so much. It's my little she shed sanctuary. So I'm gonna be quiet and just let you take a peek.